Honorable panel speaker, sir. Sir, I take the opportunity to participate in the discussion on the Telangana vote on account budget for the year 24-25 financial year. And also, the Honorable Speaker had made an announcement of clubbing the discussion on supplementary estimates for the expenditure for the year 23-22. So it's a very vast subject, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, where I would be required to speak on both. Sir, at the outset, I compliment the Deputy Chief Minister Sahab Janab Bhatti Vikrama Sahab for presenting the first budget of the new government. He has rightly pointed out that the state budget is the presentation in the government's action plan to achieve the aspiration of the people of Telangana. The Deputy CM Sahab had added a caveat that the new government faces a dire financial position, as already pointed out in the white paper presented in the first session of the Assembly. He has also assured the new government is committed to match its action with its words. So the government has reiterated its commitment to implement the Abhaya Hastam 6 guarantees. I may point out that 2 components of 2 guarantees have been implemented and another 2 guarantees are being implemented soon. I hope and I trust that the remaining components of 6 guarantees, including Mahalakshmi, Raitu Bharosa, Indaramma, Indulu, Yuta and Yuva Vikasam will be implemented at the earliest before the 100 days deadline, which ends on 15th of March. Sir. So the Honorable Speaker, sir, the Deputy CM Sahab had assured that all promises made during the election campaigning would be fulfilled and 5 declarations for farmers, youth, SC, STs, BCs and minorities would be implemented. So he has pointed out the state budget has proposed 53,196 crores for implementation of schemes under the 6 guarantees. He has assured that additional funds would be provided once a complete assessment is made about the financial requirements of all guarantees, declaration and promises, sir. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, so through you, sir, we are having a white paper on the financial position of the state. We have also had a white paper on power, sir. And now we are also going to have a white paper on irrigation, I believe. So I think, sir, after all the white papers, whichever the government wants, one white paper on behalf of opposition should also be discussed. And this should be regarding this implementation of 6 guarantees, sir. Sir, I wish him all the best in this regard, since he has to perform and deliver in the context of the resource constraints that the state government faces. Sir, it is only a vote on account budget and a full budget is likely to be presented sometime during forthcoming July and after the Lok Sabha elections. However, the state budget for the year 24-25 mirrors the likely scenario of state finances of the next financial year, sir. Sir, as per the budget estimate of 24-25, the total receipts are expected to be rupees 2,74,185.71 crores and the total expenditure is anticipated to be rupees 2,75,890.69 crores. Sir. So these figures represent a sharp decline from the budget estimates of the year 2023 and 2024, but show a substantial increase over the revised estimate of 23-24. I do hope that when the full-fledged budget is presented, sometime in July, we may have a clear picture of the receipts and allocations. So the receipt estimates works out to rupees 22,849.89 crores per month, and the expenditure estimate comes to 22,990.89 crores per month, sir. Per month, sir. So the receipt estimates include the loan and other borrowings of rupees 53,279.82 crores during the financial year 2024 and 2025, and this comes to rupees 4,435.65 crores per month, sir. So the interest payment in the financial year comes to 22,751.82 crores, that is rupees 1,895.98 crores per month. Hence, during the 4-month period of voter account, April to July 2024, the borrowings would come up to 17,742.60 crores. I repeat, sir, the borrowings would come to rupees 17,742.60 crores. Honorable Speaker, sir, I may point out that as per the accounts of the year 2022 and 23, the borrowings of the state government, otherwise called as fiscal deficit, amounted to rupees 32,556.50 crores. The revised estimate is rupees 33,785.83 crores in the current financial year, that is 2023 and 2024. In the next financial year, 2024 and 2025, the Telangana government will be borrowing rupees 53,227.82 crores, that is rupees 19,848.99 crores, sir. Sir, through you, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like the Deputy CM Saab to clarify whether the Congress, which has been present in the state legislature as the opposition, was unaware of the state of affairs of the state finances in the last 10 years since the formation of Telangana. So if the party was aware, then the question arises as to how the Congress has been very liberal in coming up with the 6 guarantees, 5 declarations, and over 300 promises in its manifesto for the assembly elections of 2023, which requires enormous allocation of tens of thousands of crores, sir. Sir, if we have to go, once again, sir, I am repeating, for Mahalakshmi scheme, sir, the requirement per month, as per my calculation, only to the BPL families, would be 2,249. Per annum, it would be 26,997, sir. Gas cylinder for rupees 500, providing 12 cylinders per annum only to BPL families. Per month, the requirement would be 5,399.40 crores. And per annum, sir, it will be 2,699.70. Free travel for women, sir, per annum, as per my calculation, 3,600. Farmers financial assistance of 15,000 per acre. Tenant farmers, sir, per month, 1,54,040, 1 crore 54 lakhs 40,518, sir, acres of land, sir. The amount required per annum for this would be 23,160.87, sir. Sir, rupees 12,000 per annum for 32 lakhs Manrega job card holders, agriculture laborers, sir. The available laborers are 32 lakhs, sir. For that, 3,840 crores, sir. Sir, a bonus of rupees 500 for paddy per quintal, providing 1.5 crores, 15 crore quintals. The requirement per annum would be 7,500, sir. Sir, and also waiver of crop loans of rupees 2 lakhs. Sir, if we have to calculate these, sir, so then the amount is coming to 36,000 crores, sir. Sir, now, sir, again, as per the record, 69 lakh farmers are there. अगर उसको हम पूरा डिटेल में गए बगैर हम अगर जाते हैं साहब, Telangana state has also total extents of 2.40 crore acre of agricultural land in 1.7 lakh crore, sir. अगर इसको भी हम ले लेते हैं, sir, and then we go to Gruha Jyoti, the third guarantee, sir, 200 unit free electricity for all household according to the official figures, sir. There are 174.03 lakh power connections in the state, which is 125.56 lakhs connections according to 72.15% of the total consumers belong to domestic sector. If the domestic consumers are not charged up to 200 units of power per month, the total burden on the state would be anywhere around 4,800, sir. Sir, also, sir, for this Dalit Bandi Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam, sir, that has also been announced, sir, in the third guarantee. Indramma Indulu Yuva Vikasam, sir. Sir, in this Indramma Indulu, sir,
house sites and rupees 5 lakh financial assistance for Indramma houses for 3,500 per constituency, sir. It works out to 25,000 crores per annum, sir. Sir, Yuva Vikasam Vidya Bharosa card, financial assistance card of rupees 5 lakhs will be provided, sir, for the students. Sir, for that again, 38,894.22 crores would be required, sir. Sir, if we go further ahead, implementation of Vidya Jyotilu Patakam Abdul Kalam Tohfa Talim scheme and rupees 25,000 upon graduation, 15,000 for intermediate, 10,000 student on passing of 10th grade. The total requirement would be 6,476 crores, sir. Sir, MPhil, PhD, as per All India Survey on Higher Education books, sir, 2019 and 20, 5,881 students have enrolled. So for this, sir, 5 lakhs rupees, 294.05 crores per month would be required. Postgraduate students, 1,84,520 at the rate of 1 lakh. For this, 1,845.20 crores would be required. Graduates, 10 lakh 78,781 at the rate of 25,000. For the current academic year 23-24, a total of 4 lakhs 9,450 seats are available for intake of 986 colleges in the state. Per month requirement for this would be 2,696.95. Inter students, sir, again, I have all the calculations. The amount required per month will be 1,221. SSC March, 4,19,460 students have passed, sir. And at the rate of 10,000, the amount required would be 419.46 crores. Che Yuta, monthly pension 4,000. For this, sir, 1,850 crores would be required, sir. Sir, for these 6 guarantees, the amount that would be required per annum would be 2,15,568.45. I might be wrong, sir. This is why I am demanding a white paper discussion is required, sir. Sir, at the same time, going further ahead, sir, there are other promises also in the manifesto, like electric scooters will be provided to all young women above 18 years. For that, sir, I have done my own calculations, sir. The required per annum would be 3,37,000.24 crores, sir. Farmer will be given interest-free crop loans. For that, 8,225 crores is required. Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam, 30,000 crores is required. House sites and all, again 30,000. Martyrs of first and last phase of Telangana movement will be identified officially. Reorganized and government jobs will be given to one person from their family. Additional monthly honorarium of rupees 20,000, 25,000 will be given. ये पूरा अगर इसके हिसाब से जाते हैं sir, तो 60 crores per annum is required for that. Then Youth Commission will be set up to provide interest-free loan up to 10 lakhs. अगर वो देखते हैं तो 10,000 crores are required. Monthly honorarium of rupees 10,000, 12,000 for priests from all religion include imam, mauzan, khadim, pastors, granthis. At present, 17,000 is the strength. So for that, 244 per annum is required. 1,010 grams of gold in Indramma gift to Hindu and rupees 1,60,000 for minority girls at the time of their marriage. अगर वो ले लेते हैं तो 5,113.77 crores. Sir, if we have to see midday meal workers, sir, as per the manifesto of Congress, again per annum for this 996 is required. Monthly salaries for Anganwadi teachers will be increased to rupees 18,000 and rest is there, sir. For that, the requirement would be 1,335.60 crores. We will be providing monthly honorarium of rupees 1,500 to village panchayats, sir. For that, 160 crores would be required per annum. For PRC of government employees and RTC staff, and implementation is a recommendation within 6 months. Sir, RTC के बारे में उसके लिए per annum 2,000 is required. Provide financial assistance of rupees 12,000 per year to auto rickshaw drivers, and requirement is 537 crores, sir. Also, it has been promised that we will provide monthly honorarium of 5,000 public distribution ration dealers, sir. For that, the requirement is 103 crores. So 25 lakhs assistance will be provided to students belonging to SC, ST, BC minorities pursuing higher education. Estimated 5,000 students per annum, sir. Rupees 25 lakhs into 5,000, that will again be 1,250 crores, sir. Remuneration of guest faculty in all junior degree colleges will be enhanced to rupees 42,000 and 52,000 per month, and rest, sir, for that the requirement will be 43.36 crores. Monthly remuneration of 5,000 to all practicing lawyers up to 5 years, average 2,000, sir. If we take at 5,000, the requirement would be 12 crores per annum. 3,000 will be paid as pension to folk artists who cross 50 years, sir. Agar unko bhi lete hain to 7.2 crores. Monthly living stipend of 3,000 for all the folk artists will be paid average 3,000 numbers, 10.80 crores. And then 12,000 financial assistance per month, or for incense and for lamps of to Hindu temples, sir, वो दिया जलाने के लिए और दूसरे चीजों के लिए 144 crores. And Arogashri package enhancement up to rupees 10 lakh treatment in all diseases, 1,200 crore. To fulfill all these promises, sir, the requirement would be 3,07,012.86 as per my calculation, sir. So I might be wrong, sir. I might be wrong. I'm not saying I'm perfect in this. All right, this is why I demand that a white paper needs to be tabled and we need to have a discussion, sir. Because the people have voted for these promises, sir. And it is a responsibility of the government to fulfill the promises made before the election, sir. So the Deputy CM has pointed out that GSDP of Telangana at current prices has grown from rupees 13,02,371 crores in the year 22-23 to rupees 14,49,708 crore in current year, that is 2023 and 24, sir. However, the GSDP growth rate declined from 14.7% in 22-23 to 11.3% in 23-24 due to a fall in primary sector growth owing to adverse seasonal conditions, sir. So the per capita income of Telangana at current prices also increased to rupees 3,43,279 in the year 23-24 from rupees 3,09,912 in the year 22-23. Thus, the Deputy CM Saab contradicts himself when he blames the previous government for mismanaging the state's economy and finances and turning a prosperous state into a begging bowl. Sir, under the good governance, through you, I would request the government to revive the District Development Review Committee in district and the state to provide a forum to review of developmental activities by the legislatures and MPs in the respective districts. Sir, on major issues and decisions relating to the policy, the government should call all-party meeting to discuss these matters before decisions are taken, sir. We welcome the promise to introduce the Right to Public Service Act, apart from setting up comprehensive portal for receiving and addressing public complaints and grievances, sir. Deputy CM Saab has also spoken at length about SC, ST, BC, minority, women and child welfare, sir. However, there is no mention of SC, ST, Special Development Fund and similar sub-plan proposed for backward classes and minorities in his long speech, sir. Sir, with the new schemes proposed under the 6 guarantees, the declaration and other poll promises, there has to be a big jump in allocation of funds for the SC, ST, minorities and women child welfare. However, a closer look at the allocation mentioned by the Deputy CM Saab reveals that the allocation of SC, ST have been reduced substantially to 24-25 for the year 24-25 compared to the budget estimate of for the year 2023 and 24, sir. Allocation of backward classes and women and child welfare have been raised significantly, but the allocation of minority welfare represents a modest increase, sir. There has been no mention of Mahalakshmi scheme on provision of rupees 2,500 monthly assistance to women in every household in the budget document. Even if assistance to only one woman in each BPL family, that is 1 crore ration card holder is given, the allocation required for assistance is rupees 30,000 crores, Sir Honorable Speaker, sir. I do hope that a full-fledged budget will set out the priorities, programs, schemes, of the Congress government for the all-round development of the state and welfare of all sections of people, sir. Sir, I may recall the Congress manifesto promised to introduce minority sub-plan as also BC sub-plan to be named after Mahatma Jyotibai Phule. The manifesto assured the Congress government will spend 20,000 crores per annum amounting to rupees 1 lakh crore in 5-year period for BC welfare, but the allocation of rupees 8,000 crore in the vote on account budget indicates a huge shortfall of rupees 12,000 crores in the allocation, sir. So similarly, the Congress has assured to enhance the minority welfare budget to rupees 4,000 crores, apart from another 1,000 crores for provision of subsidized loans for minority youth and women. इलेक्शन के वक्त वादा किया था कि माइनॉरिटीज और अक़लियतों का बजट 4,000 करोड़ होगा और उसके अलावा 1,000 करोड़ देंगे, लेकिन जब हम आज देखते हैं तो हमको पता चलता है कि माइनॉरिटीज के लिए सिर्फ 2,262.32 करोड़ ही दिया गया माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर के लिए वोट ऑन अकाउंट बजट में, जो हमारे बजट के इस साल के 2024 और 25 के साल में. In the current financial year budget allocation, rupees 2,112 crores, BROs issued 1,857.93 crores, and till now the actual expenditure is rupees 1,407.59 crores, that is only 64%, sir. Hardly 45 days left to complete the financial year. I request the government to release the payments from Treasury as early as possible so that this year budget will be utilized properly, sir. So, request for restoration of pre-matric scholarship scheme for minority students, sir. I would like to recall that the state government in undivided AP had introduced pre-matric scholarship, और ये pre-matric scholarship 2007 में हमने राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब के दौर में मुतालबा किया था मजलिस की तरफ से, और हमने ये इसका आगाज करवाया था, लेकिन आज प्री-मैट्रिक स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट उसको डिसकंटिन्यू कर दी है 2016-17 से. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा कि इसको भी आप फिर से शुरू करें. सर, आई ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू रिलीज द RTF MTF pre-matric and overseas scholarships dues to minority students and enhance the mess charges and pocket money of minority students staying in pre and post-matric hostels, sir. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to bring to the notice of the government is about the overseas scholarships. Spring 2022 season, 250 applications were cleared, sir. 13 crores are required. And for fall 2022 season, 250 applications, sir. The amount required is 51.50. These are the dues, sir. The total dues are 64.50 crores in overseas, sir. Spring 2023 notification was issued. Verification process has happened, but we do not know कि कितने लोगों को मंजूरी दी गई है या नहीं दी गई है. और fall 2023 notification is pending with the government. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि पेंडिंग नोटिफिकेशन जो है उसको जारी करिए ताकि लोग दरखास्त दे सकते हैं ओवरसीज स्कॉलरशिप के लिए. And also, sir, pending demand, sir, of RTF and MTF. Sir, you would be surprised, sir, for the pending RTF for the year 2018 and 19 is 29 lakhs. MTF is 72 lakhs. For the year 18 and 19, sir, the total dues which are to be cleared are 1 crore 1 lakh, sir. For the year 19 and 20, 1 crore 5 lakh in RTF and 74 lakh in NTF. MTF, the total is 1 crore 75 lakhs, sir. For the year 2021, sir, the RTF 4.68 crores, MTF 5.66 crores. The total dues are 10 crores 34 lakh, sir. Sir, and if we have to see 21-22, the RTF is 73.77, sir, in crores, sir. And in MTF, 3 crores 38 lakhs, the total dues are 77.15 crores, sir. 22-23, sir, RTF for minority students, sir, the pending is 191.52 crores and MTF 16.29 crores. The total dues are 207.81 crores. 23-24, it is under process. RTF dues are 18.41, MTF are 7.03, and the total dues are 25.44 crores, sir. Sir, if we have to see the pending, sir, for RTF is 289.72 crores, for MTF it is 33.82 crores, and the total amount is 323.54 crores, sir. And all these bills are pending with the Finance Department. Through you, I request the Finance Minister Saab, Deputy Chief Minister Saab, and the government, sir, to kindly clear this pending bills which are there with the Finance Department, sir. So for the year 23-24, financial year scroll pending with the government treasury again, sir, it is 205. I request that this amount should be cleared, at least this amount, sir. I know in the supplementary, we have proposed 132 crores for clearance of these dues, but that 132 would not be sufficient. I request that at least let us clear 200 crores so that what happens is that, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is not just the situations of minority students. The situation is the same for the BC students, for the SC students and all the students. मेरे उतना टाइम नहीं है बोल के मैं SC, ST और BCs के बारे में पूरी तफसील है मेरे पास, लेकिन काफी वक्त जाएगा। मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा कि माइनॉरिटी SC, ST और BCs के जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी RTF, MTF जो पेंडिंग हैं, जो 4-4 साल, 3-3 साल से हैं, उसको क्लियर करिए। मैं जानता हूं कि फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन कैसा है, मुझे मालूम है सारी बातें। मैं ये कहूंगा एटलीस्ट आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मैं ये दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वी शुड राइट अ लेटर्स टू ऑल द कॉलेजेस, all the trust and the societies running the colleges not to hold the certificates of the students who have completed their courses. At least we can do this. देखिए देर हो रही है, लेकिन मुझे यकीन है कि हुकूमत जरूर उन सारे ड्यूज को क्लियर करेगी. So we should issue a letter to the colleges stating that they should not hold the certificates, they should release the certificates, and government will make the payment. This is very important. Why I am saying this, Honorable Speaker, sir, is that after completing the course, like engineering or any other professional course, they are going for interviews. एक नई नौकरी के लिए, और नई नौकरी जब उनको मिल रही है, they are required to submit their credentials, certificates देना है, और वो certificates कॉलेज के पास हैं. तो उसको अगर हम लेटर भेजते हैं कि सर्टिफिकेट्स को नहीं रोका जाए और सर्टिफिकेट्स को रिलीज कर दिया जाए पेंडिंग दिस पेमेंट, तो मैं समझता हूं कि काफी स्टूडेंट्स का फायदा होगा. और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जो ओवरसीज चले गए हैं, जिनकी मंजूरी हुई है, उनके पैसे भी जो रुके हुए हैं, उसको भी अगर आप रिलीज करेंगे तो मैं समझता हूं कि इसमें काफी फायदा होगा. Sir, while the voter account budget allocates 1,000 crores for construction of school buildings for residential school for SCs and rupees 250 crores for STs and rupees 1,546 crores for BCs, sir, I welcome this allocation, sir. I welcome this allocation, but at the same time, I would like to ask the government why no such allocation is indicated for school buildings of minority residential schools. I welcome. BCs को दिए वेलकम, SCs को दिए वेलकम, STs को दिए वेलकम, माइनॉरिटीज को क्यों भूल गए इसमें? शायद कुछ हुआ होगा. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इसको करेक्ट करेंगे और माइनॉरिटीज को भी इसमें लेंगे.
Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of Akbar Saab through you, sir. Minority residential schools also will be taken up, maybe typological mistake. And second suggestion what you gave is to address to all private institutions, trusts and all. The government, basically our education department, we would like to do and write immediately. There is a right and very positive suggestion made by you. Definitely we would be going by it.
Sir, going further ahead with some few more minority issues, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the state government to provide more powers to Telangana Waqf Board in the form of giving it a judicial powers, क्योंकि औकाफी जायदादें तबाह हो रही हैं और कोई पुरसाने हाल नहीं है, और ये एक लॉन्ग पेंडिंग डिमांड है AIMIM का कि जुडिशियल पावर अगर आप वक्फ बोर्ड को देंगे तो उसके जरिए हम औकाफी जायदादों की हिफाजत कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि औकाफी जायदादें तबाह हो रही हैं. Waqf board is fighting, honorable speaker, sir, almost 4,000 cases in various courts and waqf tribunals, sir. And most of the cases, sir, इसमें वक्फ बोर्ड जो लड़ रहा है गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ लड़ रहा है. तो इसके लिए मैं बार-बार, सर, almost for the last 25 years I've been screaming, shouting about the protection of waqf property, sir. One thing which is required and needed is that, sir, कि हम एक रेवेन्यू ऑफिशियल, रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर साहब, वक्फ बोर्ड के ऑफिशियल्स एक मीटिंग कर सकते हैं, सर. मीटिंग कर देख सकते हैं, पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन से गवर्नमेंट लैंड्स है, क्यों गवर्नमेंट लैंड्स है, और ये क्यों वक्फ बोर्ड अपनी लैंड बोल रही है. We can reach to some settlement at least. The confusion can finish, sir. ये चीज नहीं हो रही है, तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस पर भी गौर करेंगे, सर. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, श्रीधर बाबू साहब भी जानते हैं, वो मेरे साथ ऐवान में थे बरसा बरस, और वो सुने हैं कि मणिकोंडा जागीर के बारे में. मणिकोंडा जागीर के लिए जब TRS हुकूमत में नहीं थी, तेलंगाना के लिए एजिटेशन कर रही थी, तो मणिकोंडा वक्फ की जमीन है कहकर मेरे साथ मुकदमा लड़ी, और लड़ने के बाद में हाई कोर्ट में जीते. मैं भी था उसमें, और TRS पार्टी भी थी, और तेलंगाना बना. तेलंगाना बनने के बाद तेलंगाना के इख्तिदार पर TRS आई, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस गया, और वो TRS जिसने मणिकोंडा के लिए वक्फ की जमीन है कहकर मुकदमा लड़ी, वही TRS गवर्नमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट में यह कहकर लड़ी कि नहीं, ये गवर्नमेंट लैंड है. तो वो सारी जमीन 1600 चिल्लर एकड़ वक्फ की जमीन चले गई, सर. एंड मोर ओवर, सर, मैं आप सुन के हैरत करेंगे कि कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट बोलती है कि हमने इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट बनाया है हमारे दौर में. मुबारक, आपने बनाया है, सही है, लेकिन ये क्यों भूल जाते हैं कि वो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट भी वक्फ की जमीन पर बना है. हजरत बाबा शरफुद्दीन साहब की पहाड़ी पर बना है, वक्फ की जमीन है. तो देयर इज सो मेनी केसेस, सर. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि बैठते हैं, बैठ के इस मसले को हल करते हैं, हल करेंगे, जरूरी है. क्योंकि इस तरीके से वक्फ बोर्ड एक तरफ तो मुकदमात हार रहा है, दूसरी तरफ हुकूमत क्लेम कर रही है. सर, अगर वक्फ की जायदादें प्रोटेक्ट हो जाती हैं तो हमको गवर्नमेंट की मदद की जरूरत नहीं है. वक्फ करने वालों ने तालीम के लिए वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने बेवाओं के लिए वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने बीमारों के लिए वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने मक्का और मदीना के लिए भी वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने इल्म के लिए भी वक्फ किया. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि 20 साल से अकबर ओवैसी यहां खड़ा है, चीख रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है, औकाफी जायदादें, तो प्लीज इसको प्रोटेक्ट करिए. हमारे मुतालबे पर CBCID की इंक्वायरी का ऑर्डर दिया था साबिका चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि CBCID की इंक्वायरी की रिपोर्ट कब टेबल होगी, इंक्वायरी कब मुकम्मल होगी, कब वो लोग जो औकाफी जायदादों को लूटे हैं उनको जेलों में डाला जाएगा, उनके खिलाफ कब कार्रवाई होगी. हम चाहते हैं कि वो लोग जिन्होंने औकाफी जायदादों को लूटा है, तबाह किया है, बर्बाद किया है, उनको भी सजा देनी चाहिए. मुझे खुशी है कि हम कालेश्वरम पर, मेडीगड्डा पर बहस करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि हमारे पैसे हैं जो लगे हैं उसमें करप्शन हुआ और प्रोजेक्ट सही नहीं हुए, इंक्वायरी की बात हो रही है और कसूरवारों को सजा देने की बात हो रही है. मगर यह मैं कहूंगा कि वो स्टेट का पैसा है, तो औकाफी जायदादों की तबाही, औकाफ का पैसा अल्लाह का पैसा है, ऑलमाइटी का पैसा है. वो पैसा जो तबाह हो रहा है उस पर भी हमको कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए. अगर हम कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे तो वक्फ बोर्ड में कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. There will be nothing, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, through you, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of the government and very important issue, sir. Sir, I had raised इनमें गवर्नर स्पीच मैंने मुतालबा किया कि रमजान का महीना आ रहा है, रमजान की मीटिंग बुलाइए, रमजान के इंतजामात करिए, कुछ पैसे दीजिए। सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, on the representation of MIM party and me, GO 81 dated 3/11/2021, minorities, rupees 105 crores grant in aid for the pending renovation and repairs of various Waqf institutions of the Telangana state, almost 1,000 institutions. 1,000 institutions. Recently, rupees 1,500 crores were released from the finance department. Funds were released to the concerned district collectors to take up the pending renovation and repair works of various Waqf institutions. However, on ground, the works have not yet started in majority of the places, and some of the works are still pending. I request the government to call for the completion reports regarding these works and execution of these works. सर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, इसमें हुआ क्या मैं बोलता हूं सर। कलेक्टर्स को फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट से पैसा दिया गया, लेकिन उस वक्त के मौजूदा टीआरएस की हुकूमत ने हमारी नुमाइंदगी पे पैसा रिलीज किया, हमको खुश कर दिया। अकबर साहब आप बोले 105 दे दिए, और वहां कलेक्टर्स को बोले ये पैसा कहां लगाना है लगा दो, बाद में देखा जाएगा, और 105 करोड़ रुपए नहीं लगाया गया। सर, एन एक्शन शुड बी इनिशिएटेड अगेंस्ट ऑल दोस कलेक्टर्स हु हैव मिसयूज्ड दीज फंड्स फॉर अदर वर्क सर, एंड दीज वर्क शुड बी कंप्लीटेड बिफोर रमजान सर। हमको एडिशनल पैसा देने की जरूरत नहीं है साहब। अगर यही काम हो जाएगा तो कई मसाजिद पे काम हो जाएगा, कई दरगाहों पे काम हो जाएगा। रमजान में मुसलमानों को काफी होगी 105 करोड़। आप कलेक्टर से मंगाइए साहब रिपोर्ट, मंगा के उनसे तफसीलात लीजिए सर। एट द सेम टाइम सर, दरगाह बराने शाह साहब किबला सर, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट सेंटर के लिए मैंने मुतालबा किया था 20 करोड़ रिलीज करें, वर्क पेंडिंग है सर। 10 साल से काम हो रहा है। मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि वो मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में चंद्रायन गुट्टे में दरगाह बराने शाह का, इसके लिए कुछ पैसे दीजिए। कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को पैसे नहीं दिए, वो छोड़कर चला गया। नए कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को देकर वो काम मुकम्मिल करवाइए। कुरमलगुड़ा की दरगाह में 50 एकड़ हम खबरस्तान को लिए और 30 एकड़ 32 एकड़ आना है। रंगारेड्डी कलेक्टर को बोल दीजिए 32 रिमेनिंग एकर्स भी दे दीजिए, तो पूरा एक काम मुकम्मिल हो जाएगा। फिर इसके साथ सर, हज हाउस के बाजू में पुरानी बिल्डिंग है, 10 साल से स्लैब्स डाल के पड़े हैं, उसको कंप्लीट कराने के लिए हमारे मुतालिबे पे 25 करोड़ रिलीज हुए थे, फिर ये भी हुए। तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि क्या हुआ इसका। बीआरओस तो दिए गए, लेकिन पैसा आया नहीं मालूम। और सर, इसके साथ सर, द रेंट फॉर द टिमरीज बिल्डिंग्स आर पेंडिंग सिंस 8 months, since 8 months. Recently, Mr. Kanti Wesley IS was transferred. There is no one to look after. TS MFC and TSCM FC sir. Sir, already the Urdu Academy का पोस्ट वेकेंट है, इसको फिल करिए। हज कमेटी का पोस्ट वेकेंट है, उसको आप फिल करिए। सीओ वक्फ बोर्ड इंचार्ज है, बोर्ड को कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करिए, किसी को भी चेयरमैन बनाइए। सीईडीएम इंचार्ज, सीईडीएम एक है जिसके जरिए कोचिंग दी जाती है, वो भी कुछ नहीं है, उसमें भी लाइए। सर, दायरतुल मारिफ ऑल्सो अंडर उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी में है, जहां पे उर्दू के मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स है, बहुत सारे पर्शियन, अरबिक, बहुत कुछ है। और 10 साल से तेलंगाना हुकूमत ने दायरतुल मारिफ को नेग्लेक्ट किया। बार बार हमने कहा, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि यह हुकूमत इस पर भी गौर करेगी और रेगुलर ऑफिसर्स शैल बी पोस्टेड फॉर बेटर इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर स्कीम्स। सर, हम देखते हैं माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट में, थ्रू यू आई रिक्वेस्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू प्लीज कॉल फॉर द डिटेल्स ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज वर्किंग इन माइनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट। काम करने वाले लोग ही नहीं है सर, इस वजह से स्कीम सक्सेसफुली इंप्लीमेंट ही नहीं होती हैं, और फिर कहते हैं कि हमने ये दे दिया, वो दे दिया। सर, ओवरसीज स्कॉलरशिप नोटिफिकेशन हैज नॉट बीन इशूड। आई रिक्वेस्ट दैट थ्रू यू द गवर्नमेंट शुड इशू दैट नोटिफिकेशन सर। और सर, स्टूडेंट्स का मैंने कहा है आपसे, उम्मीद करता हूं कि उस पर भी गौर करेंगे। इमाम और मौजनों को इनहैंसमेंट करेंगे, बोले इनहैंसमेंट जब होगा मैं ये कहूंगा, उनके जो ड्यूज है, रमजान का महीना आ रहा है, वो ड्यूज को क्लियर कर दीजिए, महाना पुराने हिसाब से दे दीजिए वक्त पे, तो रमजान में उनकी मदद हो जाएगी। उर्दू ऑफिसर सर्विसेज शुड बी यूटिलाइज्ड इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स फॉर बेटर मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ उर्दू सर। सर माइनॉरिटी और अनीसुल गुरवा सर अनीसुल गुरवा, there's a very big building sir. Sir, I have been fighting for this Anisul Gurwa right from the time of when Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy was the Chief Minister. Sir, that Anisul Gurwa was earlier with the Hindu Endowment Department. A case was won by the Waqf Board, but still it wasn't transferred. Rajshekar Reddy Saab gave an order. It was transferred to Waqf Board. Then Rajshekar Reddy Saab gave some amount for renovation of Anisul Gurwa. Then I again demanded, then Rajshekar Reddy Saab gave 300 square yards which had gone under road widening. Then I requested to Roshaya Saab. He gave again 500. Then I requested to Kiran Kumar Reddy Saab. He gave again 300. Then I requested to KCR Saab. Now it is on almost 4,000 square yards of land and a big building is standing there, sir. Sir, now the building is there. They want to let out for commercial activity. Sir, through you I request, sir, let us not give this property for any commercial purpose, sir. We can give that space for degree office, we can give it for minority other, we can give it for social welfare, sir. एक यतीम खाना है मुसलमानों का, गरीबों का, उसमें एक तिमरीज का स्कूल चलाइए सर। सर उसमें गरीब बच्चों की मदद के लिए एक छोटा सा एक बस्ती दवाखाना डाल दीजिए सर वहां पे। अगर आप शॉप्स को देंगे तो 1-2 महीने किराया आएगा, बाद में कोई भी किराया नहीं देगा सर। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस पर भी गौर करेंगे जो मसाइल को मैंने उठाया है सर। सर, एट द सेम टाइम सर, so the Congress has also promised to rename Dalit Bandhu scheme as Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam and extend it to STs, also to raise the financial assistance of rupees 12 lakh per family. However, there is no mention of the continuation of Dalit Bandhu scheme, and the reduction in allocation of SC welfare indicates that no budgetary provisions has been made in the scheme for the year 24-25, sir. Sir, regarding the minority sub-plan, sir, and BC sub-plan, I may point out that this has been the persistent demand of AIMM in the United Andhra Pradesh when the Congress was in power and in Telangana state after this formation, sir. Sir, I would suggest to Telangana government to enact a legislation on the patterns of Act number 6 of 2022, the AP Minorities Component Outlay Allocation and Utilization of Financial Resources Act 2022, and Act number 13 of 2019, the AP BC Sub-Plan, the Planning, Allocation and Utilization of Financial Resources Act 2019 for and marking the funds for minorities and BCs in the state budget, sir. Sir, I hope that the government will bring the bills providing for minority special development fund and BC special development fund in the state budget and enmark the allocation for these two sub-plans in the full-fledged budget for 24-25, sir. Sir, I welcome the decision of the government to conduct the caste survey by taking up door-to-door household survey for eliciting the data to estimate the social, educational, economic, employment and political opportunities for the various castes in general and the BCs in particular, sir. So I hope that the caste census will be completed within 6 months of the Congress tenure as promised in the manifesto, as promised a separate ministry for backward classes, MBC and separate finance corporation for all major BCs castes would be established soon, sir. The existing finance corporation and cooperative society federation for the various BC groups will be strengthened with allocation of more fund for assisting these groups. I welcome the assurance that the fee reimbursement will be done and scholarship will be paid on time to the students under the new regime. The TSRTC has to augment in fleet and replace the old buses in view of the growing demands of public transport. Few new buses have been bought. So I welcome the government's initiative of buying new buses, sir. Fueled partly by the free travel for the worn-out buses in the services are causing delays in scheduled services and also causing accidents claiming innocent humans, sir. Currently, 25 lakh women and girls are traveling free in TSRTC buses out of 50 lakhs commuters every day. This is causing revenue loss of 13 crores a day to the TSRTC, and government has provided 2,384 crores in the next year's budget, sir. However, the current loss of 13,000 crores per day, the allocation has to be raised to 4,745, sir. So the state has enacted the TSRTC Absorption of Employees into Government Services Act 2023, which entails additional expenditure of rupees 3,000 crores annually on the state exchequer on account of absorption of over 45,000 RTC employees in government services. The government has to take provision for allocation of this amount for the RTC employees in the state budget, sir. The Congress has fulfilled its guarantee to introduce Gruha Jyoti scheme to supply 200 units of free power to eligible families. The vote on account budget allocates rupees 2,418 crore for the free power scheme, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, there were 1.27 domestic consumers served by the two discoms in the state during year 22 and 23. Thus, there are 1 crore domestic consumers consuming about 200 crore units per month or 2,500 crore unit per annum. The average tariff of consumption below 200 units come to rupees 4 per unit, whereas the cost of supply for domestic consumers as per the TS electricity regulation ERC orders comes to rupees 7.09 per unit for both TSS PDCL, TSN PDCL. So for Transco Discom, the vote on account budget of rupees for the year 24-25 proposes 16,825 crores, but the budget document volume 1 by 1 indicates an allocation of 16,812.62 crores, sir. फिर देखिए साहब यहां पे स्पीकर साहब कि ये फिगर्स का अब मैं बोलता हूं तो गुस्से में आ जाते हैं। सर बजट में क्या फिगर आ रहा है, किताब में क्या फिगर आ रहा है, ये टैली नहीं होता सर। मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये गलती कब तक होती रहेगी। We need to correct this, sir. Sir, moreover, another budget document that is 1/2 provides only rupees 12,991.34 crores for energy department. I don't know which figures to believe, as the Deputy CM Saab holds the both portfolios in finance and power. Sir, the Deputy CM Saab has said in his budget speech, page 15, that the government has proposed rupees 40,080 crores for Panchayat Raj and rural development. I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable, my learned friend and Legislative Affairs Minister Saab. Sir, however, in the budget papers, volume 1/2 statement of demands for grants, the allocation is 11,824.81 crores. For Panchayat Raj and rupees 19,640.27 crore for rural development. And total allocation for these two demands come to 31,414 crores. Now, I don't know where the amount rupees 6,665.46 have disappeared. Where has it disappeared? Where has it gone? मैं बोलता हूं तो गुस्से में आ जाते हैं सर, मगर सर ये हाउस की जिम्मेदारी है, इसमें सही फिगर्स देना चाहिए। सर अगर आगे जाऊं तो आपको देखकर हैरत होगी और आप खुद बोलेंगे कि नहीं अकबर साहब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। मेरे पास पूरा स्टेटमेंट है, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के ताल्लुक से क्या कह रहे हैं और क्या स्टेटमेंट है, पूरा है सर। सो ऑनरेबल पैनल स्पीकर सर, अब आप देखिए सर, एज पर बजट बुक 24-25 सर, रोड बिल्डिंग, पोर्ट, स्कूल एजुकेशन, हायर एजुकेशन, टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, यहां पे 21,378 आ रहा है और इसमें 1/2 वॉल्यूम में द अमाउंट जो मेंशन हो रहा है दैट अमाउंट इज 21,378.17 सर। सर एज पर द बजट स्पीच ऑफ फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब इट इज 21,389, 378 यहां है, 21 करोड़। तो सवाल ये फिगर्स क्यों गलत है सर? मेडिकल एंड हेल्थ सर एज पर द वॉल्यूम 1/2 सर 11,072.49 एंड एज पर बजट स्पीच फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब सेज 11,500। सो सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट, ट्राइबल वेलफेयर, और फिर हम इसमें लेते हैं सर 18,000, इसमें भी पूरे गलत है सर। तो ये सर मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि सर अब इसमें explanation ये देंगे सर, I know what explanation they will give. Sir, we haven't taken that. But sir, my question is that backward classes में 24-25 1/2 वॉल्यूम में 8,000 करोड़ बोल रहे हैं और फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर की स्पीच में भी 8,000 करोड़ बोले, सही है। फिर उसके बाद में माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर के बारे में 2262 फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब भी वही बोले ये सही। तो ये सही है और वो गलत क्यों है भाई? या तो फिर ये भी वैसे ही आना था जो भी एक्सप्लेनेशन है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इस पर गौर करेंगे। सर, आई मे आल्सो पॉइंट आउट दैट आसरा पेंशन्स केम अंडर द पीवी ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट। एट प्रेजेंट देयर आर 43,72,210 Asra pensions in Telangana state, and another 10 to 12 lakh applications are pending for approval. From last year, sir, for the existing beneficiary, the state government was releasing rupees 982.17 crores per month. The Congress has promised to double the pension amount to rupees 4,000 per month, sir. Sir, at this rate, the allocation needs to be raised to rupees 23,572.08 crores for the existing beneficiaries, and the rate of rupees 1,964.34 crores needs per month, sir. But in open account budget for the year 24-25, sir, only rupees 19,640.27 crores have been allocated for the rural development department, sir. Sir, I would like to have a clarification as to how the government would pay the rupees 4,000 pension to all the existing pensioners, sir. It is very important, sir. Sir, now going further ahead, sir, so the Congress also promised to raise the pension to disabled to rupees 6,000, and I would like to know when the promise is likely to be implemented, sir. So drinking water problem is likely to get acute in summer month this year due to adverse seasonal condition during the last monsoon, which affected the minor irrigation resources in Gram Panchayat, and as also inflows into the major dams as Jurala, Sirisalam, Nagarjuna on the river Krishna, Sri Ram Sagar on Godavari, sir. So the water supply for GHMC and other municipalities and municipal corporations of Hyderabad is going to be severely affected as the water levels in Sri Salam and Nagarjuna Sagar have plummeted near depletion level, sir. So the Godavari drinking water scheme provides only 172 MGD from Yellampalli barrage to GHMC and HMDA, and the remaining quantum comes mainly under Krishna water supply scheme stage 1, 2 and 3, sir. I would like to know about the contingency plan in this regard, sir. Because it is very important, sir. Garma आएगा, गर्मा में रमजान भी आएगा, तो रोजेदारों को पानी की तकलीफ न हो, इसलिए हम बार-बार कह रहे हैं कि एक रमजान की मीटिंग बुला लीजिए ताकि हम इन मसाइल को रख सकते हैं और इसके जरिए हम इन मसाइल का हल भी ढूंढ सकते हैं, sir. Sir, already under the existing scheme, free drinking water supply is provided up to 20,000 liters per month to 4.5 lakh households in Twin Cities, sir. So the Congress government has promised to raise the quantum to 25,000 liters per month. The Hyderabad Metro Water has to be provided additional allocation for raising the quantum of free supply, sir. Thank you, sir.
बीच में हैदराबाद मिनिस्ट्री को वाटर वर्क्स को वाले को और उसको सबको मिला के डिटेल सोर्स और स्टोरेज और नीचे तक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन तक हमने रिव्यू किया है। ऐसा कोई तकलीफ नहीं है पानी के लिए। हम ये आपको सरकार की तरफ से हम आपको हैदराबाद की जनता को बताना चाहते हैं, इसमें कोई ऐसा दिक्कत नहीं होगा। और जो रमजान के बारे में इससे पहले भी आपने बात कहा था और सीएम साहब ने फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस ने बोला है असेंबली के बाद, और रमजान का प्रिपरेशन जो भी काम है उसके बारे में मीटिंग बुलाएगा। ये उसको आपको यकीन जल्दी असेंबली जैसा होते ही आपको बुलाएंगे।
Thank you, sir. Sir, everybody, you know, they have an objection when there has somebody intervenes and stop. So, but I would say, sir, thank you, sir, for intervening. I got some time to have some glass of water, sir. मैं बोलना ये चाह रहा हूँ। नहीं sir, please take it in a नहीं डिस्टर्ब की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं सर। मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूं कि आपके इंटरवीन होने की वजह से मुझे थोड़ा सांस लेने का वक्त मिल गया, ये कहना चाह रहा हूं मैं। Sir, the allocation for municipal administration and urban development in the vote of account budget for the year 24-25 is rupees 11,692 crores, sir, as per the budget speech, sir, rupees 11,582 crores as per the budget document, sir. The allocation of rupees 11,082 crores in budget estimate for the year 23-24 and the marginal increase in next year will not mitigate the financial crisis in the urban local bodies of the state, sir. So the Chief Minister himself is holding the municipal administration portfolio, and I may point out there is a need to tone up the functioning of MAUD department as well as the GHMC, Hyderabad Metro Water Works and HMDA, other UDAs and 142 municipal corporations and municipalities across the state, sir.
Sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, the Deputy CM Saab had pointed out the new government would implement the recommendation of State Finance Commission to release the funds to Panchayat Raj institutions and local bodies. The SFC has recommended that 11% of state-owned net revenue taxes shall be for the RPIs and ULBs in the ratio of 61:39. However, this commitment is not reflected in allocation for municipal administration, sir. So the Deputy Chief Minister has also announced the government's commitment to decongest Hyderabad and to develop all regions in the state, sir. As per the scheme, separate plans will be made for dividing the state into 3 zones in Hyderabad at the center. Hyderabad inside the outer ring road will be treated as urban area. The region between ORR and proposed regional ring road, RRR, will be pre-urban, and area outside RRR will be rural zone, sir. Sir, I think this proposal needs exhaustive study, and the government should seek suggestions from all the stakeholders, including the major political parties and elected representatives, sir. Sir, I may also recall that the Congress promised to revitalize the Setwin and would request the government to upgrade the Setwin, sir. मैंने गवर्नर स्पीच में भी सेटविन के ताल्लुक से कहा था, फिर से दोबारा मैं मुतालबा करूंगा कि सेटविन को आप मजबूत करिए और इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स और जो उसमें जो एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी सेंटर्स हैं वो भी अगर सेटविन के में लाते हैं तो इससे काफी फायदा होगा, सर. So the government is proposing to set up skill university in a center across the state, sir. The government has assured to allocate more funds to Khuli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority, sir. When I talk about Khuli Qutub Shah Urban Development Authority, sir, through you I would like to request the government to kindly speed up the Charminar pedestrianization project, sir. Charminar pedestrianization का project कब से सर जमाने से चल रहा है, सर. 20 साल हो गए, लेकिन चारमीनार पेडिस्ट्रियलाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं होता. लाल बाजार के फसाड का है, मीरालम मंडी को अच्छा बनाने का है, ये भी काम पेंडिंग है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इस पर भी हुकूमत गौर करेगी. The GHMC is facing a severe financial crunch, and the state government needs to come to its rescue immediately by releasing grant of rupees 120 crores for payment of salaries of GHMC staff and 1,000 crores for clearing the bill for the capital works, sir. Sir, मैं बहुत ही तेज हुकूमत की तरफ इस बात की तवज्जो लाना चाहता हूं, सर. Sir, the previously GHMC was getting 100 crores under tax for hoardings and LED lights. Now it is reduced to rupees 18 crores per annum. Government needs to concentrate and address on this issue, sir. Sir, GHMC has taken loans of rupees 6,374.48 crores for work of SRDP, CRMP, SNDP work, and HUDCO loan and JNNURM pending work, sir. JNNURM 140, SRDP 4,250, CRMP road maintenance 1,303.48 crores, sir. SNDP 680 crores. The total loan amount for the GHMC is 6,374.48 crores. Sir, अब इसके बाद में अब आप देखिए, sir. Sir, during the moratorium period of current financial year, rupees 68 crores is paid as interest per month, and rupees 105 have to be paid for next financial year for the 24-25 as interest and principal amount, sir. जब हम देखते हैं JNNURM, sir, the loan amount आपका था जो 140 करोड़ अमाउंट जो 23-24 में देना है, अगर हम SRDP बॉन्ड, SRDP रुपी टर्म लोन 1, SRDP term 2, SRDP term 3, SRDP term 4, SRDP term 5, the total loan amount is 6,530, sir. Amount payable is 824, और 24-25 फाइनेंशियल ईयर में जो अमाउंट पे करना रहेगा, इंटरेस्ट का, दैट वुड बी 1,253.67 करोड़. सब पता नहीं है कैसे करें. सर, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट द डेवलपमेंट विच हैज कम. वी अप्रिशिएट दैट द works were taken up, the development was taken up, but I would say that the GHMC was not managed as it should have been managed, sir. आज तनख्वाह देने को पैसे नहीं है, sir. Sir, according to official records, rupees 1,200 crore GHMC have to pay the pending bills of contractors, sir. Contractors, GHMC main office, number of bills pending 160. Charminar zone 1,591. Khairtabad zone 1,044. Kukatpalli zone 809. LB zone 633. Secunderabad zone 692. Srirangam zone 612. The total pending bills are 5,541. The amount pending is 1,153.57 crores. Sir, the Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, Government has to come for the rescue, sir, of GHMC. हैदराबाद सर, हमारा हैदराबाद ही है जहां से तेलंगाना को रेवेन्यू आएगा, हैदराबाद ही है जहां से हमको पैसा आएगा। अब अगर हैदराबाद को हम खराब होने देंगे, और मुझे यकीन है कि हुकूमत हैदराबाद को खराब होने नहीं देगी बल्कि इसको और आगे ले जाएगी। सर, मैं हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा, जो गवर्नमेंट ड्यू है जीएचएमसी को, जो ड्यू है, जो साबिका हुकूमत टीआरएस की हुकूमत कभी नहीं देती थी, कम से कम आप दे दीजिए सर। सर, द ड्यूज आर प्रोफेशनल टैक्स 300 करोड़, प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स फॉर गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स 107 करोड़, फंड फॉर पट्टना प्रगति 227 करोड़, म्यूटेशन फीस 175.46 करोड़, ट्रांसफर ड्यूटी 2,950 करोड़, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ड्यूज टू जीएचएमसी is 3,759.46 करोड़ सर। अगर ये पैसा अगर मिल जाता है ऑनरेबल पैनल स्पीकर सर, इसमें से आधा दे दो साहब, आप आधा आप दे दीजिए, 1,000-1,500 दीजिए, नहीं तो जीएचएमसी में पूरा काम रुका हुआ है, लाइट के मेंटेनेंस नहीं हो रही है सर। सर, there is a switch with which they are supposed to switch off the lights, street lights. The people who were supposed to switch off the lights, they went on a strike and the lights were burning. 3-3 दिन 4-4 दिन जलते रहे सर। सर, मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत की तवज्जो लाना चाहूंगा एक इंपॉर्टेंट इशू पे सर। लोग हंसेंगे मैं बोलूंगा तो, लेकिन इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सर, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सर। डॉग बाइट सर, जीएचएमसी में इन द ईयर 2023 सर 30,289 सर, इन द ईयर 2022 80,281। आप बताइए, जो लोग तरक्की का दावा कर सकते हैं वो कुत्तों को बाइट करने से नहीं रोक सक रहे हैं और कुछ इंतजाम नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो क्या करेंगे बताइए। अब अवाम ने आपको मौका दिया, आप इसके लिए सीरियसली कुछ करिए सर। द डॉग बाइटिंग इज राइजिंग सर। इतने कुत्ते हैं सर, कि इतने कुत्ते हैं, कहीं भी जाओ कुत्ते, मोटरसाइकिल पे जाओ कुत्ते हैं, बच्चे यहां जाते हैं, बच्चे जाते हैं बाइक्स पे, कुत्ते हैं। तो ये बहुत ही एक सीरियस मैटर है सर। मेरे पास डॉग बाइट्स के पूरे केसेस का है सर। सुबह फजर की नमाज में सर, जनवरी में 2,580, फरवरी में 2,475, मार्च में 2,575, अप्रैल में 2,642, मई में 2,921, जून में 2,000। सर, कोई भी महीना ऐसा नहीं है जहां पे 2,000 से कम डॉग बाइट्स हुए। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं सर कि दीज आर द इश्यूज जिस पर कोई बात नहीं करता है, और हमारे हैदराबाद के रेसिडेंट्स सर, दे गेट एंग्री एंड अपसेट। व्हाई आर द लेजिस्लेचर्स नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज इश्यूज सर? द पोल्यूशन इज बिकमिंग एन इशू सर, the traffic jam is becoming an issue sir. We need to have more parallel roads, we need to have more flyovers sir, we need to have more bus connectivity sir, we need to have more metro trains sir, we need to have junction improvements sir. So pollution बढ़ रहा है सर। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत इस ताल्लुक से भी जरूर संजीदगी के साथ गौर करेगी सर। Sir, I welcome the announcement of Chief Minister Saab on realignment of proposed metro lines sir. I hope and trust the metro line passing through Old City stretches from Imliman, Falaknuma to be completed, and the new line from Falaknuma to Shamshabad Airport, LB Nagar and Shamshabad via Chandra and Gutta will be taken up soon, sir. Sir, Raitu Bandhu scheme has been renamed as Raitu Bharosa, and it is to be extended to tenant farmers and agricultural laborers. The Deputy CM says that the scheme is being reviewed and the assistance would be provided only to eligible beneficiaries at a higher quantum of rupees 15,000 per acre. The manifesto promises that assistance will be provided to both the land-owning farmers and tenant farmers. I would like the government to clarify whether both the landowners and tenant farmers will get the assistance for the same price of same piece of land, sir. So the farmers are eagerly waiting for Raitu Bharosa assistance as well as the loan waiver up to rupees 2 lakh, and the government needs to announce the timeline for this at the earliest, sir. So the government has constituted a 5-member committee to study Dharani portal and suggest measures to resolve the problem it created. I would like to know how soon committee would make its recommendation and whether Dharani will be replaced by another portal, Bhumata. The vote on account budget has provided 21,378.17 crores for the year 24-25 as against rupees 19,051.42 crores in budget estimate for 2023 and 24 for education, sir. The Telangana public schools are proposed in every mandal, and the allocation of rupees 500 crores have been made for this scheme, sir, on the pilot basis. Sir, I welcome this, but at the same time, sir, I would like to come on record and say that the school education was neglected for the last 10 years, sir. We have been screaming and shouting and saying that the government schools need to be concentrated. End of the tenure, sir. आखिरी में ऐलान करे कि ले लेंगे स्कूल बना देंगे, लेकिन schools were neglected, sir. We need to strengthen the school education department, sir. For creation of infrastructure in the state universities include Usmania University, rupees 500 crores is allocated, but I think Usmania University alone would require this amount, sir. We need more amount, sir. I welcome the move to preserve the historic structure of Usmania General Hospital while taking up construction of modern infrastructures at the hospital campus. The Telangana government has taken up the construction of 4 super specialty hospitals in GHMC area. I hope that the work on these hospitals will continue, sir. So, sir, when I say about the hospital, sir, so through you, I would like to bring to the notice of the government, sir, and also the in-charge minister of Hyderabad, sir. Sir, एक GO हमने 44 crores का बल्लागुड़े में हॉस्पिटल के कंस्ट्रक्शन का रिलीज करवाया था, उसका टेंडर भी हुआ है, और एक जमीन हमने बताई है जो हैदराबाद मेट्रो वाटर वर्क्स की है, जो 5 एकड़ की जमीन है, उसमें से 1 एकड़ अगर वो देते हैं तो हॉस्पिटल आ जाएगा। अगर आप हैदराबाद मेट्रो के एमडी को अगर बोलेंगे कि वो 1 एकड़ जमीन दे दें तो 44 करोड़ जो मंजूर हुए हैं एक अच्छा आलीशान हॉस्पिटल पुराने शहर में आएगा, और याकुतपुरे में एसआरटी कॉलोनी में भी हॉस्पिटल है, ग्राउंड है, उसको भी अगर आप पैसा देंगे तो वहां पर भी आएगा। The Telangana government has taken the construction of 4 super specialty, which I welcome, sir. The Deputy CM have proposed rupees 11,500 crore for medical and health sector in the vote on account budget, even as the Congress manifesto had made a dozen promises, including establishment of super specialty hospital in every district, 100-bed super specialty, and a maternity hospital in each assembly constituency, 100-bed hospital in each municipality. The manifesto also promised that budget share for health sector will be double the figure. Otherwise, sir, the budget allocation of rupees 11,079.49 crores for the year 24-25 as per the budget document indicates the cutback compared to the current year's budget allocation of 11,585.49 crores. So in fact, the allocation should be doubled at rupees 22,145 crores for 2024-25 at 8% of the state budget as again 4% in the current year, sir. So the national health policy says 8% of state budget should be allocated to health department. Total budget 2,75,890.60 crores. 8% is rupees 22,971, sir. Sir, as per the World Health Organization requirement, the government has to increase the budget allocation of health to at least 2.5% of GSDP to meet its objective and requirement of 3.5 bed per 1,000 people, sir. 2023 and 24 GSDP rupees 13,02,371 crores. That is minus 2.5. That is 32,559 crores, sir. In all government hospitals, there are more than 10,000 vacancies of various categories, and I hope all these vacancies will be filled up shortly, sir. The Congress manifesto on GHMC development promises that the government will establish 4 modern maternity hospitals, 4 modern veterinary and pet care hospital, 2 modern ENT hospital, and 2 modern eye hospital, apart from 4 super specialty hospitals sanctioned by previous government in GHMC area, sir. The Hyderabad Youth Declaration, sir, you have promised that monthly unemployment allowance of rupees 4,000 will be given to every unemployed youth till they are provided with employment or livelihood opportunities. However, Deputy CM Saab, budget speech makes no mention on this, as if there is no unemployment youth in the state, sir. So the youth declaration also promised that the youth will be provided with interest-free loans of 10 lakhs to facilitate the education and livelihood opportunities under Young Women Empowerment Scheme. Electric scooters will be provided to all young women 18 under Vidya Vikasam Guarantee Bharosa Card 5 lakhs, sir. However, there is no mention about this promise also, sir. Sir, I welcome the Congress government's order extending accidental insurance coverage to gig workers and otherwise known as a delivery boys, sir. Under the housing program, the Congress manifesto promised houses site and assist to 5 lakh construction, sir. Sir, houses के बारे में जब आता हूं तो मैं फिर से हमारे हैदराबाद के इंचार्ज मिनिस्टर साहब से कहना चाहूंगा कि घरों का पट्टा दे दिया गया, और जो लोग घरों में जो बनाए गए हैं उनके पट्टे हैं, उनको चाबी नहीं दी जा रही है घरों की। उम्मीद करता हूं कि उनको दे दिया जाएगा, sir. In this budget speech, the Deputy CMs have announced rupees 3,500 houses will be sanctioned to each assembly constituency under Indramma Illu scheme and proposed allocation of 7,750, sir. Sir, usme in the vote on account budget, however, for 119 constituencies, the number of houses at 3,500 per constituency works out to 4,16,500 units, sir. At the rate of 5 lakhs per housing unit, the amount required would be 4,16,500 units will be at rupees 20,825 crores, sir. I would like the Minister Saab to clarify on this, sir. I'm also seeking clarification on the completion of 2 BHK housing units and different stages in construction and allotment of 2 BHK units to the beneficiaries already selected by the district collectors, sir, through a lucky draw. Selection होने के बाद भी उनको वो घर का ऑक्यूपेशन सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया गया, लेकिन ऑक्यूपेशन राइट्स उनको वहां जाने के नहीं दिए गए, तो उम्मीद करता हूं कि वो भी दे देंगे. द गवर्नमेंट हैज स्क्रैप्ड द ग्रो लक्ष्मी स्कीम फॉर प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट, बट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लैक्स ऑफ बेनिफिशियरी हैज बीन रिसीव्ड at the rate of 3,000 per assembly constituency. I would like to know the fate of these applications, sir. Sir, regarding the regional ring road, I may point out the project has been delayed for a long time and would be better to start the construction work on this project on a fast track by initiating the process for land acquisition immediately, sir. Sir, the Deputy CM Sahab had said that the government has allotted 100 acres, sir. Construction of new Telangana High Court building, sir. However, I may point out that existing High Court complex has been accommodating the High Court of the undivided AP, and few years ago, the government maternity hospital of Amin Bagh adjacent to High Court was shifted, sir. In fact, the proposal of new High Court complex of Budwell was contemplated many years ago for the High Court for undivided AP, sir. Sir, there is a lot of history है हमारे हाई कोर्ट के बारे में निज़ाम एरा के, लेकिन मैं ये ज़रूर कहूँगा म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का ऑफिस पुराने शहर से चला गया, कमिश्नर पुलिस का ऑफिस चला गया, और फिर कमांड कंट्रोल बंजारा हिल को आ गया. अब ये हाई कोर्ट भी पुराने शहर से चला जाएगा. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत की जानिब से इस पर देंगे. सर, आई एम जस्ट कंक्लूडिंग विद फ्यू इश्यूज, सर. दिस इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट जियो 314 ट्रांसफर ऑफ स्पाउस पेंडिंग इन 13 डिस्ट्रिक्ट, सर. काइंडली सर, थ्रू यू आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग, सर, हमारी परेशानी ये है सर, हर वक्त लोग हमको आते हैं, रिप्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं. सर, मॉर्निंग में बिफोर आई लीव माई हाउस आई सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड दे गिव द रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सर, जस्ट गिव मी 2 minutes so that I would just brief, sir, and it is a very important issue, sir. GO 314 transfer of spouse. जी हाँ सर, 314, sir. Transfer of spouse pending in 13 districts, sir. Sir, about the second thing is about this Ballagoda bus depot, sir. We have also वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट लैंड है अलॉटमेंट के लिए, नवीन मित्तल साहब के पास फाइल पेंडिंग है. मैं हैदराबाद इंचार्ज मिनिस्टर साहब से बोलूंगा कि जरा उनको बोल के उसको क्लियर करवाइए. 10 साल पहले श्रीधर बाबू साहब, आपको भी याद होगा, सीएम साहब उठ के बोले थे, केसीआर साहब, अकबर साहब, हाँ हम बल्लागुड़े में आपके एरिया में रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस दे देंगे, अब तक नहीं दिए साहब. तो जरा वो रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस दे दीजिए सर बल्लागुड़े में. तो मैं आपसे तो अगर वो रहते तो दोहराता था सर. सर, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर कि रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर साहब को, हैदराबाद इंचार्ज मिनिस्टर साहब को, कि एक बल्लागुड़े में रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस जो इस ऐवान में प्रॉमिस किया गया है, बिल्डिंग है, सिर्फ स्टाफ देना है, मैरिज रजिस्ट्रेशन हो सकता है, लैंड रजिस्ट्रेशन हो सकता है. अब पूरे ओल्ड सिटी में आजमपुरे में एक रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस है, तो मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप उसके ऊपर भी जरूर करेंगे. And one more representation is about old pension scheme and PRC, sir. Implementation of old pension scheme employees appointed after 1/9/2004, sir. Sir, who were absorbed in new pension scheme through notification were released, sir. As promised in the manifesto, sir, the 6 guarantees, serial number 28, page 20, sir. Abolish the current contribution pension scheme, sir, is ताल्लुक से भी, और serial number 29 में भी है, sir. PRC के बारे में भी कहूँगा, request to give promotion. Also, sir, this is a very important issue. I've been raising this issue from quite a long time. Request to give promotion in Armed Reserve Police, Constable, Head Constable, ARIs, and which is pending since last 2 years, sir. Sir, सब लोगों को promotion दिया जाता है, sir. SIs तक promotion दिया जाता है, लेकिन बेचारे constables को promotion देने का जो tenure है वो ज़्यादा है. तो इसके लिए भी मैं करेक्ट करने के लिए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, रिलीज ऑफ जीपीएफ लोन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज विच इज बीन पेंडिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years. Request to constitute the second pay revision commission, PRC, to examine and recommend revision of salaries to state government employees, pensioners, outsourcing and contract employees. And also, sir, commercial stack department, sir, post of ACTO and DSTO working in commercial departments is non-gazetted, sir. They have been requesting to give them the position of gazetted officers. Financial कोई कुछ नहीं है उसके ऊपर, लेकिन कई बरस से ये भी पेंडिंग है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस पर भी गौर करेंगे. और ऑल्सो सर, अबाउट दिस निजाम पुलिस अंबरपेट, सर, they have completed 34 years of services without any promotions. Sir, they were appointed as constable and retiring also in same category. Presently 430 are working and request to enhance their strength to 730 If staff strength is enhanced, the promotion process will be easy, sir. To promote the staff, enhance the manpower, SAR, CL, CPL and TS unit. File is the memo number 300. पूरा उसका है sir. तफसील में letter भी देता हूँ sir. Regularization of university lecturers, sir. Sir, also TSWR, EIS staff, sir. There are around 567 teachers are working in contract basis since last 16 years in the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Education Institute Society School without any complaints, sir. Request for regularization of their services, sir. Also about the Geo 314, sir, which I have already mentioned, sir. I would not go. Urdu Academy के computer के operators, library के employees हैं, sir. वो लोग भी बोल रहे हैं. And sir, very long pending issue about Urdu 69 self-finance junior college lecturer, sir. Request to implement Geo 162 issued in the year 2017, which is pending in the CMO's office, sir. File number 120-1E/A1/2019 and 20 regarding 69 junior lecturers, sir. Sir, also, मैं ये reinstate of artisans जो है साहब artisan 117 TSSPDCL के हैं, उनका भी एक नुमाइंदगी हमने की थी सर, उसके बारे में भी आपसे कहूंगा. Sir, honorable panel speaker, sir, you have clubbed two discussions, sir. Now supplementary demands are here. Sir, if with your kind permission, if I would be given a break of 10-15 minutes and then only 10 minutes, I will have a discussion on the supplementary. Or if you say, I will continue now only, sir. Sir, now going on the discussion for the supplementary estimate for expenditure of the year 23-24, the Deputy CM Saab has presented the supplementary estimate for the financial year 23-24. In the Open account budget for 24-25 presented in the House on the 10th February, he had provided the details of the revised estimate for the financial year 23-24. By the budget estimates of the total received as per revised estimate of rupees 2,25,348.63 crore as against the budget estimate of 2,89,672.65 crores in the current financial year, that is 23-24. Similarly, honorable panel speaker, sir, the total expenditure as per revised estimate is rupees 2,24,624.87 crores as against the budget estimate of 2,90,296 crores. The fiscal deficit as per the revised estimate is rupees 33,785.83 crores as against the budget estimate of 38,234.94 crore. Honorable panel speaker, sir, I may be recalled that the Deputy CM Saab had said about the budget presentation with the previous government. I quote, the previous government's budget was far from reality, it was inflated and receipts and created the illusion that they are providing huge funds for different schemes. He further assured that we dispense with the terrible practice and we have estimated our receipt realistically and have made allocation accordingly. This shows our commitment to match our actions with our words. Now he has come up with the huge supplementary estimates of rupees 46,400.40 crores for current financial year. Sir, it is true that previous government tenure ended soon after 8 months of the current financial year were over. Thus, the Congress came to power 4 months before the current financial year comes to close on 31st March, sir. So, honorable panel speakers, the government has implemented some components of the 6 guarantees and other promises made in the manifesto, and it is likely that some more components of guarantees and other promises may be implemented before the current financial year ends of 31st March. Major allocation and supplementary estimates are indicated for irrigation, rupees 16,661.01, agriculture rupees 9,855.99 crores, Panchayat Raj rupees 5,890.64 crores, and energy rupees 2,764.34 crores. These 4 demands amount to 35,175.98 crores, and remaining 33 demands account for balance of 11,224.42 crores. Sir, through you, I request the Deputy CM Saab and the Finance Minister to enlighten us on the need for seeking such massive supplementary estimates of rupees 46,400.40 crores. I would like to know the details of allocation for guarantees and other manifesto in the supplementary estimate for 4 months period, sir. Sir, I may also point out that Article 205 of the Constitution of India, Part 6, the states dealing with the supplementary, additional and excess grants says the governor shall A, if the amount authorized by any law made in accordance with the provision of Article 204 to be expended for a particular service for the current financial year is found to be insufficient for the purpose of that year, or when a need has arisen during the current financial year for supplementary or additional expenditure upon some new services not contemplated in annual financial statement for that year. B, sir, if any money has been spent on any service during financial year in excess to the amount granted for the services of the last year, cause to be laid before the House or the House of the Legislature of the state another statement showing the estimate amount of the expenditure, or cost to be presented to the Legislative Assembly of the state a demand such excess as the case may be, sir. So the revised estimate points to the shortfall in the receipt and the expenditure. There is a shortfall of rupees 65,671.13 crores in expenditure as per revised estimate compared to the budget estimate for the year 23-24. However, with the supplementary estimate for expenditure of rupees 40,400.40 crore in additional revised estimate of 2,24,624.87 crore, the overall budgetary expenditure will rise to 2,71,025.27 crores during 23-24. Since the state has already exhausted its borrowing limit under FRB and Act by December 2023, I would like the Deputy CM Saab to clarify as to how the state is contemplating to raise the financial receipts to meet the expenditure and the supplementary estimate before financial year closes on 31st March, sir. I hope the Deputy CM Saab would respond to all the issues raised by me in the supplementary estimate, sir. So in the supplementary estimate, sir, rupees 46.40 crore, which I had earlier just said, I don't see any provision made for the guarantee of promises being implemented by the Congress government, sir. So under the Transport Administration, the supplementary allocation is rupees 3.74 crores, but no provision has been made for free bus ride scheme for women, which requires release of subsidy of rupees 1,200 crores to TSRTC. Under the medical and health supplementary allocations of rupees 1,030.70 crore, no provision is made for doubling of Arogeshri assistance of rupees 10 lakh. For energy department, supplementary allocation is rupees 2,365.96, including rupees 1,700 crore for taking over Discom losses under Uday scheme, and rupees 1,020.61 crore for subsidy for agriculture. No provision is made for free power supply of 200 units to the domestic consumers, sir. For civil supplies administration, supplementary allocation of rupees 97.43 lakhs is made, but there is no provision for LPG cylinders at rupees 500 scheme. On the other hand, the supplementary estimates include a massive allocation of rupees 16,683.54 crore for irrigation department, including, iska jawab dena, sir. Sir, panel speaker, sir, khatam kar raha hu, last paragraph, sir. Sir, on the other hand, the supplementary estimate includes a massive allocation of rupees 16,683.54 crores for irrigation department, including rupees 12,663.36 crores for Gajwel Circle. Gajwel Circle. So I welcome the supplementary allocation of rupees. Nahi hai. Shayad I think they would have been happy. Sir, I welcome the supplementary allocation of rupees 135.20 crore for minority welfare, sir. And I conclude by once again thanking you for giving me this opportunity, sir, for speaking. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि जो मसाइल को मैंने उठाया है शहर हैदराबाद के ताल्लुक से, माइनॉरिटीज़ के ताल्लुक से, SC, STs और BCs के ताल्लुक से हुकूमत संजीदगी के साथ उस पर गौर करेगी। और सबसे अहम बात यह है कि पूरे कॉलेजेस को एक लेटर देकर उनको कहें कि स्टूडेंट्स के सर्टिफिकेट्स को ना रोकें। और दूसरी बात, रमज़ान की मीटिंग भी बुलाने का मिनिस्टर साहब ने वादा किया है, मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। और पैनल स्पीकर साहब, मैं आपका भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि आपने मुझे इतना वक्त दिया, जिसके ज़रिए मैंने जितनी कोशिश हो सकती है की है सारे मसाइल को उठाने की। अगर कोई मसाइल छूट गए हैं तो मैं जानता हूं कि मुझसे ज्यादा काबिल लोग आपके करीब हैं, वो लोग आपके इल्म में लाएंगे और उन मसाइल को हल करवाएंगे। शुक्रिया पैनल स्पीकर।
थैंक यू बालू नायक गारू।
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital. Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, Senior Experienced Orthopedic Surgeon, Bone Fracture, Joint Replacement, Hip Replacement और Spine Surgery कामयाबी से अंजाम दे रहे हैं। इसके अलावा न्यूरो सर्जरी, कार्डियोलॉजी, गायनेकोलॉजी, डेंटल, जनरल मेडिसिन, डायलिसिस और फिजियोथेरेपी जैसे शोबाजात में इंतहाई कामयाबी के साथ वाजबी फीस में इलाज किया जा रहा है। शेयरिंग और प्राइवेट रूम्स, अस्पताल में 24 घंटे MRI, CT स्कैन, 2D डिजिटल एक्सरे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU और लैब की सहूलत दस्तयाब है। आपकी उम्मीदों के ऐन मुताबिक जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, पिलर नंबर 150, अतापुर, हैदराबाद।